And I hear this loud sound like an M4. An M4 was right by my ear. And I'm like, I go to look over, like, dude, back away a little bit. And there's no one right there. But then I see the embankment behind me, the mud like blowing up. And I'm like, holy shit, that's gunfire. So I move off to the side a little bit. And that's when I'm going back up to engage. And I hear this weird slap. And I heard cops scream.